What's up, YouTube fam? Welcome to another POF video. I'm Chuck. Today we're going to bring you out to Stony Point, going to the range, put in some work. We're going to try to control those over-the-top swings and try to make better contact with the ball. Let's get to it. Alright guys, like I said, we was going to work on trying to stop that over-the-top swing, which is coming over the ball, which creates that left to right slice that nobody likes and can't control at all. I watched the video not too long ago and my game was kind of struggling. I was hitting the ball everywhere. If you see the last video I just posted, you understand what I'm talking about. But I was losing the ball to right every time. So since then I've been trying to work on my game, straighten that out, and also try to start hitting draws like I did back in the day. What I started doing is I realized on the backswing I always got confused about the shift over on the follow through. So I always try to figure out how I'm supposed to sequence it out. But I realized it kind of works for me if I swing back and if I just make a small shift towards my target, which makes my back feel like I'm going towards my target, which puts me in front of the ball, which creates a better solid contact and also keeps me from going over the top. Keeps my hands inside with a nice smooth swing. And I'm gonna try to do it now. That is not it. That is not what you want. Just like that. All right, I'm gonna give you a different angle so you can see me from a different side and see about what you need to do to help you out with the over the top swing and trying to make better contact with the ball. Okay, so now that you see me in the front view, you can tell when I talk about shift. When I say shift, when I make the follow through, is when I pass the ball and then that puts me in front of the ball. So now I can make good contact on the ball. I won't come behind it, I won't hit it short, I won't hit chunks. And also I won't force myself to stay back here and try to hit over the top. That's what we're trying to get rid of, is that over the top move. So what we want to do is keep it nice and simple. Just like that. Video useful. Hope these little tips might help you out later on, you know, to help out your golf game. Because if you got any tips for me, I need all the advice I can. But like I said, guys, thank you for just coming to the channel again. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment at the bottom. See you next time.